Hello and welcome to Roosted. Today we're walking through the new custom dashboard system. You'll notice each widget now includes a short description, so you always know exactly what you're looking at. No guessing required. To get started, hit Customize Dashboard in the top right corner. That opens the layout editor, where you can drag and drop widgets, rearrange them however you want, and adjust the width of each one. Some widgets have a minimum width to keep everything readable and usable, but beyond that, the layout is yours to control. We've also added a whole lineup of new widgets. Payroll projections estimate your payroll costs across the current or next pay period, calculated from scheduled shift hours multiplied by worker wage rates. Fill rate trends compare the number of positions needed versus positions filled over the past 7 days, so you can quickly visualize staffing gaps and see whether your fill rates are improving or declining throughout the week. The shift coverage heat map shows your coverage for each of the next 7 days, color-coded from green for well-staffed to red for understaffed, based on the percentage of positions filled versus needed. You can see unfilled spot counts at a glance. Worker star rating distribution shows ratings from shift reviews over the past 90 days, broken down by each level from 5 stars through 1 star, plus unrated shifts. It gives you a snapshot of overall workforce performance. Document signing completion rates show exactly who has finished their paperwork and who hasn't, so you always know where onboarding stands. And the expiring credentials list flags upcoming expirations, so you can stay ahead of compliance deadlines instead of scrambling to catch up. Basically, if there's something you need to know about your workforce, there's a widget for it. The bottom line, less time searching for information, more time acting on it. Your dashboard only shows what actually matters to your operation, and you can add or remove widgets at any time as your needs change. That's the new custom dashboard. Thanks for watching.